Okay, we're looking at number 6 from Newton's method here. So suppose you attempt to use Newton's method to approximate a solution of the equation 7x to the 1/3 equals 0. Let x sub 0 equal 5, so that's our starting point. And then calculate x1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's see what we can do with this. Our formula, and I wrote it down here, is x sub n plus 1 equals x sub n minus f of x sub n over f prime of x sub n. And then our f of x is, what, 7x to the 1/3? Just confirm that up here. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's look at this derivative, f prime of x. That's going to be 7 times 1/3 times x to the negative 2/3. So that's going to be 7/3 x to the negative 2/3. So when I set this up, my x sub n plus 1 is going to be the x sub n minus the original f of x, which is 7x to the 1/3, divided by 7/3 x to the negative 2/3. And if, I should put a little n there. And let's just play with this a little bit more. So x sub n plus 1 is going to be x sub n minus, so what we have is 7 divided by 7/3, so it's going to be times 3/7 multiplied by the reciprocal, times x sub n to the 1/3 minus negative 2/3. And that's going to give us x sub n. By the way, these will divide out. Minus 3 times x sub n to the 1 power, right? So wouldn't this just be x sub n minus 3x sub n to give us negative 2x sub n? So our x sub n plus 1 is going to be negative 2x sub n. So x1 is going to be negative 2 times 5, which is negative 10. x2 would be negative 2 times that negative 10, which is 20. And x3 would be negative 2 times 20, which is negative 40. Let's just check those answers. Yep, that's correct. Okay, hope that helps.